Hello guys, you're back with another video, and today I'm going to show you what my dad did with the new Puma. What is it?
They're not new, are they?
Oh, the Vinted.
The Vinted boots we got.
Yeah.
They're not so good boots from Vinted that we got for £20. So, I'm sure.
So, first thing, we changed the laces.
Well, what's wrong with it first?
Nothing.
There's two things, main things that are wrong with it.
The laces.
The laces were the actual original laces,
Crusty.
really crusty and split. The ends were split.
The studs.
The studs were all worn.
Yeah, and then the biggest thing were the sides were peeling off.
All the sole plate had started to separate from the upper, and they stunk.
Stinky.
They stunk. So we're going to just go through what we did. We got them for £20, didn't we?
Yes.
How much did we spend on the things we had to fix them with? 23 or 24.
And then, how many days later, maybe a month later, you find a beautiful...
So yeah, tell them.
A month later...
No, maybe a month, 6 weeks later, something like that.
Yeah. You go on Vinted, and then you find new ones of these, the same boot, for 40 quid.
No,
the amount we...
They're 50.
50 quid.
£50.
It doesn't matter. That basically what we spent on these.
No.
We spent 40 on these.
No, because they're about 52.
Yeah, and these are 40. This is literally only 10 more.
Yeah, literally only 10 more if you're not paying for them.
Yeah, but they're brand new, those.
They're brand new. They're in the box. They're on Vinted at the moment. These are excellent boots. You're going to pay a size 8.5. Remember, these run half a size too big. So your size 7.5 and these 8s are spot on.
Mm-hmm.
So they run a size too big. So again, recap. The laces were messed up.
Yeah.
The sole was separated. Studs were worn down. It's like someone had filed these ones. So what we did, we spent another £24, 22, 23, something on that. So it worked out about £45 in total, which for a top end set of boots is still good. Now we're just going to show you what we did. We got some new studs. So these actual Puma official studs we bought off Amazon, and you can see they're pretty good. You just worn them for football during the week, and I've just cleaned them. So they're looking pretty good. So these are the studs. As you can see, they're not worn. They are a bit worn because when you walk off, you don't take them off. So they're a bit worn on the bottom. They're scratched a bit. But you've been wearing them. How many times have you worn them? You've worn quite a few times, haven't you?
Yeah.
Away from school. About how many times a week? Twice a week?
Twice, yeah.
And then you worn for your team?
Just once.
Once? Or more than that?
Just once. Okay,
just once. These laces we got these are pure laces. We bought them anyway, so we didn't really spend on those. And the thing is, we didn't really spend £20 on the boots because they were ones I'd sold. So the things I sold I had in the on the Vinted app as money.
Yeah.
So really, we only spent £24 on them, if you think about it, because I just sold those things. I didn't spend money from my pocket. We sold things, and then we got those. So laces, pure laces, they're good. They're not the same, obviously, as the original laces, but they're still very good laces. What I had to do, I had to take the insole out, like I have here, and I had to wash it. They're still a bit skanky, not great.
Is that my fault or his?
Your skanky feet.
Okay.
So I cleaned them each time they stunk. So I had to take the whole thing, laces, everything out, and I got soap and everything in. So I washed them inside out loads of time with antibacterial hand cleaner and with a dishwashing sponge. So I used that to clean inside and outside. I let them dry out, and I do that a couple of times. They stunk so badly. We changed the laces up. We cleaned these insoles a lot, and they still look fine now. They're fine, but I think I do technically each time. I haven't cleaned them today because we wouldn't be able to do a video because it'd be wet. So we've done those. Changed the studs up. Glue we got. All I did was Google on Amazon, searched sugar pear glue, and it had a pot of glue with that. What was it like? How to describe it?
I don't know.
The thing you attach on the end.
Like a small valve.
Really skinny tube really skin cheap, so I could get a precise in. So what I did, I glued these up, got my fingers stuck numerous times. That's separating a bit now. You see that there? Separating a bit, so I need to re-glue that. But we've used them loads of time and it stayed. And a lot of people say they don't stay on, so I had to literally I glued on all the edges, glued them back on, then I put a seal around all the edges of glue, and it's been fine. Went all the way around. Was a bit messy, so you got bits of glue, like you can see that bit of glue mark, stain, like here, you can see the glue's shiny bits of the glue. Not ideal, but these are you'll only wear them for a certain amount of time, isn't it, for the soft ground season?
Yeah.
And then we go back to firm ground, which is quite interesting because I've got a pair of firm ground boots for £50, exactly the same firm ground. So we're going to do a review of those. So check out that review to come.
I wouldn't get any little bit of glue on it.
Shut up. Of course you would have. You would have right mess. And how are the boots generally, would you say, though? Good. Yeah. If anyone you want to ask about what we did, specifically what we got and stuff like that, we can definitely ask in the comments. But Puma studs, metal studs from Amazon, the glue from Amazon.
Why does it smell gritty?
These are I don't know. These are just pure laces from Soccer Reviews for You. Josh from Soccer Reviews for You. He's got his own company, sells lots of good things. Sleeves. We've done a video on that, haven't we? The sleeves and the laces as well. But we put them in here. They look pretty good. What do you mates think of them? Good. They like the boots? Yeah. Your mates see them? How do you feel with them? What do you think they're like?
They're good.
Yeah. Light. Normally you don't like metal studded boots because normal metal studded boots get quite heavy boots with the studs. But these are a lightweight speed boot. And 2025, if you watch Soccer Reviews for You, he's got a video where he says that his second favourite boots of 2025 speed boots are these, and the top ones are
these firm ground.
Huh?
These firm ground.
No, yeah, well, just firm ground, but general these boots. These boots are generally his favourite boots. These general boots, but in firm ground version, but soft ground, it's just a different sole plate. So these only came second to Mizuno Alphas, and Mizuno Alphas are excellent boots, although they're very expensive. You get the top end ones made in Japan, or you can get the ones that aren't made in Japan, the elites, and they're still they're near enough all the same. But the Mizuno Alphas are brilliant boots. So to come second place to these and to come above Mercurials, they look really good. What Atar wears. He wears them. I don't even know what they look like. Well, when you see next time Atar, he wears them all the time. He's your teammate. These even come before Mercurial, Nike Mercurials. He put these above those. So that's high praise, and they are Puma boots. Don't just don't just assume because it's not Nike or Adidas, it's not good. Puma makes some excellent boots. Puma makes the best boots. Yeah, for you, they fit you to good. So you'll find the boots that work good for you. So always just try different boots. If it's not a Nike, Adidas, doesn't matter. New Balance make excellent boots. Mizuno makes excellent boots. Puma make excellent boots. There's Adler boots as well that might be really good. You can't get them over here. You can import them in, and think there's some amazing football boots. There's that Sakuto. So there's companies, they're new company. Look them up. They do some brilliant speed boots.
For which one? Boots.
Yeah, boots. Yeah, it's a new company that just makes boots. Anyway, Puma excellent. So you like the futures, don't you? Puma future of the past. But no, we really like these. We've got 3 of the same of these colourway. We've got which ones we got?
What?
Which ones have we got?
These.
You got the soft ground. You got the MG. Let me get them. Just to prove it, these we bought new, really good deal. It's a really good deal. So these are amazing.
They look so worn when the Astro gets in them.
Yeah, I know, but they're brilliant boots for multi-ground. Get the multi-ground ones. You're playing Astro and you're playing firm, decent quality grass pitches. These are brilliant. They'll work multi-ground. The multi-ground sole plate are the best apparently because that's what.
Any scratches on the studs.
Yeah, it's brilliant. Yeah, and the studs. Use them well. They're really good. So we've got. These are the original studs, so laces. So these are really nice, suited it. But these parts were they were split, weren't they? Yeah. All rubbish, all cracked and stuff. So that's why I swapped these laces on these boots. These boots were these ones. Yeah. On these boots, we would have had these when we got them, but we swapped them out with these. I don't think you can buy the individual laces, can you? Would it be nice if you could have?
Yeah.
But these are great boots. And we've got multi-ground, which are these, really good for Astro and for good dry grass pitches. And you've got these for obviously wet, soggy, wintry, muddy grass pitches. And we've got firm ground boots that I bought recently.
Yeah.
I couldn't resist that offer, £50 again. These were like, I think even cheaper. I think they were 50. But consider these over £200 new, and they've not been out for that long. It's a brilliant deal. So brilliant boots. You like them, don't you?
Yeah.
I think that's what we go through. But remember, half a size, or try them on. Try them on somewhere. Try a Puma store or somewhere where they sell them. Try them on, see how I feel. And again, it's all down to individual preference. So maybe some people prefer Adidas, Nike, a Mizuno, New Balance, or all these. But Puma seem to fit you well, don't they?
Yeah.
And you've got wide feet, haven't you?
Mm-hmm.
Not very wide feet. So the previous Ultra generations, apart from the first one, which was one of the best.
Yeah.
The other Ultras, they're quite narrow, so you can't wear them. So if you have wide feet, these are good. And if wide feet, the first generation, the first ones of Ultras, they were good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So should we finish it? So what would we say it have been a success?
Yes.
Our fix. Yeah. So I'm gonna just glue up this bit a bit here, that bit a bit more. Anywhere else on these ones? So all the gluing bits have worked. 'Cause a lot of people said it wouldn't work. So
Who?
On the I think you were saying it. People are saying it when you repair them, they don't work. But I looked on some YouTube channels and they basically said it doesn't work. They just keep splitting, but this has worked. And you've worn them a lot. You have worn them a lot for school, haven't you? For school and PE in school and stuff and games and whatever else you do. The one for matches. So that one there, that bit there, and that was. I think that there was a really bad bit. Where was it?
Yeah, it was that bit.
It was that bit, was it? Yeah, it was that bit that completed kind of. Yeah, hadn't it split completely?
Yeah.
So this is the only bit that's come out, which was a really bad bit. Anyway, so I think if you're successful, if I'd known, hindsight, because we bought them and we couldn't really get rid of them once we bought them, we always wondered why they're so cheap, clearly, but they hadn't put the pictures on Vinted.
They didn't put the picture of the peeling.
They didn't put the picture of the peeling.
Can't you just send it back then?
Yeah, you could have, but I thought let's try and fix them.
Yeah.
It's satisfactory, it said. So whenever it says satisfactory and Vinted, know that they're not going to be very good.
No.
But it's still a great deal because, like I said, new, they're over £200. If you go on the Puma website, at the moment they're doing 50% reduced price. They're still over £100. I was just looking before.
Yeah.
Still £100 if you want soft ground boots. And forget about Pro Direct or Lovell Soccer or anywhere else. They're not going to be good deals. Puma do good deals as well, so look out for the good deals. If you get the app, they send you a message.
Mm-hmm.
You get a notification. So yeah, what do you think?
Yes, good.
We're happy?
Yeah. Wait, has another boot come out?
What do you mean?
New Puma boot.
New colourway.
Not a new boot.
Not a new generation of this.
Oh.
This is quite recent.
This is the newest, isn't it?
Newest one, yeah.
Yeah.
That's why they're wide and they fit you good.
Yeah.
And they're still sleek though, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. You feel lightweight in them?
Yes.
What about these ones? Definitely very light? They are light, aren't they?
Definitely.
They're very light. They're very light. The only thing that makes these more heavy than studs. Anyway, should we finish then? So, successful?
Yes.
Headache, but successful.
Mm-hmm.
So we've got to glue that bit up. And that's it.
Yes.
Yep. All right then.
Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Peace out.
Bye.